Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful floating nature prints using my gel press and some dollar store frames. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this video, or if you have a question, I'll be sure to answer it. Are you ready? Let's make some floating nature prints. I like using different hues of the same color, but you could try 3 different colors and that would look amazing too. Don't worry if the foliage moves around while you're rolling it with the brayer, it's not going to make a big difference at all. I love the way these prints look. They remind me of X-rays. E6000 Glue is the only glue I would trust to hang a frame like this. Use whatever plants and vines you have growing in the neighborhood, and you can find these certificate frames at almost any dollar store. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description to everything I used. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you next week. Bye.